design, integration and APIs, splitter, artifact, edit, yes. Okay, now click on that action symbol. Copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy. Remove that general and add iterating or iterative. Okay, remove that copy. No, only copy. Yeah. Copy. Click on copy. Open. Okay, now everyone understood how to copy the interface?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Edit. Delete that general splitter parent function. Delete. Okay, now add iterating splitter there. That space only there. Place only. Okay. Open its configuration. Processing. Change expression type. XPath here. In XPath expression, / and item.
And
One more.
items.
No any items. Remove. One more slash item. Uh, Save and deploy.
Copy this page.
One minute. Okay. Endpoint is generated.
Just
Duplicate
I
that
have
tab
to check
and
that. Yes.
duplicate
Just-
tab.
This one.
Yeah, success one.
There is
Refresh. You got success message or not?
Ma'am, it gave error.
Then check here that red color
Yeah.
area. Open.
Yes.
Actually, every time we need to change that endpoint.
Read this.
No, open.
Then
Open that configuration, HTTPS configuration. Connection.
this one.
Yeah. Team remove that general and add iterating. This address should be unique for every iFlow, okay? Now refresh.
Yes.
Open that Postman tool. Okay. Click on plus. That endpoint plus. Okay.
This one.
Yes. Yes, there only.
And this one.
Okay. Now add authorization. Okay. Copy that endpoint. Okay. Now copy that input payload from general splitter tab. That previous tab.
Just ma'am in Postman or in Chrome.
Postman only. Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
I
Click
have
on
to
that.
copy this one.
No. Body.
Oh, yes.
I asked to copy that input payload. This is our input payload. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy that. Paste there in iterative. Raw. Yeah. Okay. Now send. Okay. You got the result, right?
Yes.
Now open one Excel sheet.
Excel.
You can close that. You can close this one.
Yes. Right.
First
I have to
save
open
this.
a new page in Excel.
Yes. I'm asking to open new Excel. You can click on that first radio button. Yes. I want to view this file later. Okay.
What you say?
Yes. Okay, now copy that general splitter result payload and paste here.
Input payload of general splitter.
Output payload, result payload.
Okay. I'm here.
Yes, yes. Where is the result payload? Okay.
And
Okay. Now copy that iterating splitter result payload and copy in front of this.
yeah, what happened? This one.
You have to paste in front of that general splitter payload.
Here.
Actually, we have to compare that both payload. That's why I'm saying.
Ma'am, but the box is now shrinking.
Control Z. Where is that
Close
first
that.
payload? Okay, copy
General.
general splitter.
Yes, ma'am, the general payload is already copied.
Okay, then paste.
I'm here.
Ah, yes.
1A.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in M column, you have to paste that iterative splitter payload, result payload. Select that first column only.
This one.
1 minute.
Well, when I jump to second row, then it will shrink.
You are taking screenshot or you are copying the payload?
No, I'm copying.
Paste into chat.
Just this is a general one.
Okay. Give that second one also.
Ma'am, can I paste this in Microsoft Word? It will also have to compare.
1 minute.
Okay.
Is my screen visible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now observe this payload and tell me what is the difference.
Ma'am, in every section in general, ma'am, there is a root and opening tag of exam ID and closing tag of closing tag of exam ID. But in iterative, there is a no root tag repeating and also a opening tag of exam ID and a closing tag of exam ID.
Yes. So this is the main difference between general and iterating splitter. Okay. General splitter, when it splits the whole payload into small chunks or individual message, that time it always carry this root element. Okay, here the root element is this exam ID. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. But when
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are using iterating splitter, that time this iterating splitter not carry that root element in every breakdown, means in
In
every
every.
individual message. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
General and iterating splitter. Everyone is clear with this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if we are having sorry, there is some noise from my side. If suppose there is a requirement to carry root element, then you will go with a gender splitter. And if client is asking to break down the payload without carrying root element, then you have to use this iterative splitter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the use of root element actually?
Hmm?
What is the use of root element? Means when the client said,
Mm-hmm.
what is the meaning of that?
What is the use of? Okay. Suppose
Yes.
you are using huge number of data. Okay.
Okay.
And to categorize those data, we need root element. Okay. Root is like a header.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose you are combining customer data as well as employee data. Okay. To identify that data, which data is for customer and which data is for employee will require header, right?
Yes.
For that purpose, we are using this root element. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
To categorize the data, we are using root element. Have we created iFlow for SOAP adapter? Hmm?
For which, ma'am?
SOAP adapter.
No, ma'am.
Okay. For that, we will require SOAP UI tool. Okay. So anyone can share your screen and download that SOAP UI tool.
and from where I will download.
Browser.
What I
Search
I
SOAP UI tool. Open new tab and search SOAP.
what so
SOAP. Simple Object Access Protocol. Yes. UI, not AI. UI. Okay.
from this one.
Yes. Will require that SOAP UI 7.5.
From which one? Ready API or this one? Open source.
1 minute. I think when I format my laptop, that time it is getting removed from my system also.
Yeah, somebody.
Shivam, you have to download that 7.5.
Ma'am, which one? This.
1 minute, I'm not
There is no
seeing
mention
yes.
of.
Okay, go back. SOAP UI 7.5. Okay, you can. Which one is suitable for you, for your system? You are using Windows?
Yes.
Hmm.
You were 5.8.
Actually, I was using that 7.5.
But there is no match. This is the I think. Yes.
Okay, then you can download this 5.8. Okay, download.
It's done.
Okay, soap adapter we are using for the web services. Okay, to work with the web services, we are using this soap adapter. Okay, go back to your iFlow. Create new package, soap adapter.
No, there is option.
Hmm?
What you said? No?
Create new package as a soap adapter. Give same name here. Open the iFlow. Okay, edit. Establish connection between end and receiver. So okay, now tell me the difference between asynchronous and synchronous call. What is asynchronous
Synchronous.
and what is synchronous?
Synchronous means the process will happen one after another in sequences, and asynchronous helps to wait.
Okay. So in our case means in CPI case, what is synchronous means sender will send the reply. Okay. And that sender will expect the immediate response. Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Are you getting me? Sender is sending request. Also, it's accept immediate response. Okay. Like a phone call. Okay. When when we are when we are doing call that time we are expecting someone is talking from um, that another place, right? Where we call.
yes,
Otherwise, our communication is not getting completed, right? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
are you getting me or not?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We are getting, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And asynchronous means sender is sending result, but that sender is not expecting immediate result. Okay, we are not expecting result in that case.
Ma'am, in
Okay.
asynchronous,
In asynchronous, sender will not wait for
the response.
receivers response. Okay,
Okay.
but in synchronous call, that response is needed to complete the process. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. So that asynchronous call is like a WhatsApp message. Okay, we are sending the message, but we are not waiting for immediate response. We are just sending the message. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that is the difference between asynchronous and synchronous. Like that, here this SOAP RM we are using for asynchronous call, and this SOAP 1.x we are using for synchronous call. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Now, uh, Shivam, select that second one.
Ma'am, this one.
Hmm.
If we should-
Okay, open its configuration. Okay. Open connection. Okay, so here we need to give that web service address. Okay, and here first we in SOAP configuration will require that WSDL file also. Do you aware about WSDL file?
No, ma'am.
This is one type of a language, web service description language. Okay, so in this case we'll require that file. First we need to download that file and we need to save that in our system. Okay, so when we save that file in our system, that time we need to use this select option and we have to select that file. Okay,
Okay.
so this service and operation name means in single web services there are multiple operations are present. Okay, so we have to select a specific operation where we have to work. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose web service is for arithmetic operation. Okay. And using this iFlow, you have to work on add operation.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you will select that service only, that add service only, service only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So today um, you have to download that SOAP UI tool and install that tool. Then Monday we'll work on this SOAP adapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll connect on Monday. Also prepare the document for difference between general and iterative splitter.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
in iterative splitter, we need to gather the message.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
we need to gather the message.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we'll connect on Monday. Thank you.
Okay.